Hello students, welcome all of you in e-learning classes of Panchkarma department. Today we will discuss about Isnehanam Karam. Effect of Snehana on the body. By virtue of its unctuous quality, Snehana or administration of the fat substances exhibit four distinct effects or function in the body. They are named as Snehana, Vishyandana, Kiledana, and last one is Mardavata. Weight and lustrous appearance of the body parts when treated with oil is known as Snehana effect. The substance is impregnated with oil lose its solid nature and shows a tendency to liquefy and is known as Vishyandana effect. The softness imparted to the body parts when treated with oil referred to Mardava effect. The weightness that increase in the body by the administration of the oil referred to Kiledan or moisturizing effect. These effects of the Snehana in the body are used for the therapeutic benefits, both for the maintenance of the healthy life in normal person and for the cure of illness in diseased person. In spite of this, the drug used in the preparation of medicated oil have got their own therapeutic effect and help in the speedy recovery of the patient. Added to this, the message that follow the oil application gives non-sexual pleasurable sensation, increase the blood circulation, improve the process of clearing the toxic substances from the tissues, also release the stiffness in muscles and cure pain. Character of fat substances. The overall effect of administration of fat on the body depends upon the inherent quality of the fat substances used. Among the different qualities of snigdha, like greasy quality is the most important one, and its effect mostly desired in the treatment. For the same reason, all the procedures carried out using the fat substances in called by the name Snehana therapy. Different qualities of the fat substances used for therapeutic purpose are listed as follow. First one is Snigdha Gun. This is the greasy quality of fat substances impart oiliness as well as softness to the body parts when administered. Added to this, it is also improved physical strength and body complexion. In general, this quality alleviates the Vata dosa and tends to increase Kapha dosa. Second one is Guru Guna. This quality refer to the heaviness. The fat substances are comparatively heavier for the digestion and therefore tend to suppress the digestion. Further, during oral administration of Snehana procedure, much emphasis is laid on dosage of fat substances and time of its administration so that there won't be any untoward symptom of indigestion. Apart from this, Guru Gun enhance the body weight as well as strength. It may even increase the amount of body waste and enhance excretion. Among the dosas, this quality of the fat substances tends to increase the Kapha dosa. Third one is Sita Guna. This quality of fat substances refer to the cold. By virtue of this quality, fat substances when administered increase a sense of happiness, alleviates the thirst, reduce the burning sensation of any, minimize the sweating and cure the transient loss of consciousness when present. This quality also tends to constrict and contract the body parts, thereby improving the stability of the body. Third and fourth one is Mradu Gun. Softness as well as looseness of the body parts is imparted by the Mradu quality of the fat substances when administered. Softness imparted to the body channels is significant as it eases the passage and mobilizes the vitiated dosa. Thus, the elimination of the dosa is made easy. Fifth one is Dravgun. In general, fat substances have liquid physical property. By virtue of this quality, it brings about motioning in the body parts. By nature, the liquid quality has a tendency to dissolve the substances. It has an ability to flow and spread easily. Accordingly, when administered, fat substances easily and quickly spread within the body, dissolve the dearranged dosas and mobilize so that it can be easily eliminated by the Sodhan procedure. Next quality is Pichila Guna. Pichila refer to slimness, and by this quality the fat substances tend to perform a coat when administered. Consequently, the fat substances help in the integrity of the body parts, improve the excellence of body tissue, increase the body weight, and hence longevity. Kapha dosa may increase by this inherent quality of the fat substances. Next quality is Saraguna. Tendency of fat substances to flow is explained by Saraguna. This quality help in the mobilization of the dosas from its location of imbalance to the site of its elimination. Next one is Mandagun. Slowness of the activity. In continuation of character of fat, now pixel gun. Pixel refer to its slimness and by the quality that fat substances tend to form a coat when administered. Consequently, the fat substance help in integrity of the body parts, improve the excellence of body tissues, increase the body weight and hence longevity. Kapha dose may increase by the inherent quality of fat substances. Next, Saragun. Tendency of fat substances to flow is explained by Saragun. This quality helps in the mobilization of the dosa from its location of imbalance to the site of its elimination. Next, Mandagun. Slowness of the activity is represented by the Mandagun of the fat substances, slow but steady activity of the fat within the body that persists for a considerable long period is because of this inherent quality. Virulence of the vitiate dosa is said to reduced by this quality of fat when taken internally. Next, Sukshma. Fineness is also a quality of the fat substances. When administered, fat tend to penetrate the minute body channels and thus gets distributed unequally all over the body. Thus, the fat substances, when administered, penetrate the minute and deep structure in the body, render motioning of the vitiate dosa, facilitates its dissolution and thus mobilize from the site of imbalance to the gastrointestinal tract, where from the vitiate dosa is eliminated by advocating the Sodhana procedure. Next one is types of fat used for the therapeutic purpose. Different fats are used for the therapeutic purpose. Each fat is said to have some distinct quality and accordingly they have specific therapeutic utility. Basically, the fats are said to be two types as per their origin. They are named as a Sthavar Sneha and Jangam Sneha. This classification of the fat is known by the name Yoni Ved, where Yoni refer to origin and Ved refer to its type. First one is Sthavar Sneha. The fat derived from the plant substance is called as Sthavar Sneha. The example include sesame oil or tel, castor oil or arand tel, mustard oil or sarsap tel, karanj oil or Pongamia pinnata oil, etc. Even though the word tel refer to the oil extracted from the sesame or till. Different oil extracted from the different plants and generally referred by the name tail. Oil extracted from the seed of aranda, danti, dravanti, kampilaka, etc. are useful in inducing diarrhea. The oil from the madanfal or Rendia spinosa and damargava are helpful to induce vomiting. For nasal administration or Nasyakar purpose, oil extracted from Vidanga, Sigru, Sarsap are used for this purpose. In patients suffering from the infected wounds, the oil derived from the plants like Karanja, Jyotismati are beneficial. Retention of the urine is treated by administration of the oil taken out from the Trupusa or Cuminus sativus and Kusmanda or Beniscasa hispida. Oils from Brahmi, Bakuchi and Haritki are efficacious in clearing urolithiasis. In patients suffering from excessive urination, the oil extracted from sarsap is beneficial. And oil derived from Vivitaki, Bhallataka are helpful in imparting black color. Oil from Priyangu, Sionaka are useful in to clear the blackish discoloration of skin. Oils from Devdaru, Agaru are useful in treat skin disease. Likewise, oil from different plant sources are prescribed in various disorders depending upon the therapeutic utility. Next type of sneha is Jangam sneha. The fat derived from the animal origin is characterized as a Jangam sneha. Milk, curd, butter, ghee, fat derived from the marrow, fat extracted from the muscles are the example of animal fat. Among the fats of plants and animal origin, ghee, oil, muscle fat, and marrow fat are best for therapeutic purpose. Further, the ghee is considered as the best sneha among these best four. Now, ghrita. Ghee is obtained from processing the milk from certain animal from the class Mammalia of animal kingdom. For the therapeutic purpose, ghee obtained from 8 animals is specific and cow, sheep, goat, buffalo are some of the examples of these 8 types. Depending upon the unique quality of these varieties of ghee, they are prescribed in different clinical conditions. It is worth mentioning here that Ghrita is the best sneha because its unique inherent quality of sanskara abhyantaram. This refers to the ability of the ghee to imbibe the quality of her by which it is being processed without loosening its basic quality. For the same reason, ghee may be processed with herbs that can pacify Vata Pitta or Kapha Dosa according to the requirement and then may be prescribed to get the maximum therapeutic effect. Thus, ghee is utilized as the supreme media for drug administration. Among the ghee from the different source, cow ghee is found to be the most excellent one and hence is always preferred both in the form of food as well as in medicine. This ghee is the most edible one, easily digested and rich in nutrients. Following are the benefits of ghee in general. Vata Pitta Kapha alleviates the vitiation of Vata Pitta dosa in the general and Kapha dosa when processed with herbs that pacify the Kapha dosha. Vata Pitta Prakriti ideal fat for presence of Vata and Pitta constitution. Shatachina beneficial in patients suffering from the respiratory disorder Shatachina characterized by hemoptysis and emaciation. वृद्ध बाल तथा अबाल best type of fat is administration even child, elderly as well as deliberated person. Rasa Sukra Ojasahitam improve the body tissue like Rasa Sukra and Ojasa. Agni Devti augment the digestion power. Varn Prasadanam betters the body complexion. Swar Prasadanam improve the voice quality. Balavardhanam enhance the physical strength. Dheer, Smriti, Medha, mental abilities like memory, intelligence and stability is improved. Ayush, prolong the lifespan. Chakshusya, clear the eyesight. Prajakam, effectively improve the fertility rate. Sukumarya, renders the body soft and tender. We will discuss further in this topic till Vasa Majja etc. in next classes. Thanks for now.